First, open your browser and go to this website. Once the website loads, choose the link or URL option. Next, copy the website link or URL that you want to convert into a QR code and paste it into the input box. After adding your link, click Generate QR Code. Your QR code will now be created instantly. You can also customize the QR code design to make it look more attractive. For example, you can change the QR code pattern, adjust the corner style, add a frame with text, upload your own logo in the center. These options make the QR code more professional and easier for people to recognize. Once you finish customizing, click the Download button to save the QR code to your device. Now you can print it or share it online with friends, customers, or clients. Anyone who scans the QR code with their phone camera will be automatically redirected to your link. And that's how you can convert a URL into a QR code quickly and easily using this website. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching.